working with multi-threading in Python, a common issue we may encounter is a race condition. So consider this example. We have a global variable wherein counter is 0 initially, and we have two threads that are executing this function that increments the counter. At first glance, it may seem that if each thread increments the counter a fixed number of times, the final value should simply be the sum of all the increments. However, in reality, the result is often lower than expected. The key point is that the operation counter is equal to temp plus 1 is not atomic. So internally, it will involve multiple steps. So first, it will read the value of this counter and it will assign to a local variable temp. And then it will increment the value and assign it back to the counter. Now imagine the sequence with two threads. Suppose T1 reads counter value as 1 into the temporary variable. Now before it write back over here, it does a context switch. So thread B now gets the CPU. Reads the counter is equal to 1 into its own temporary variable. Thread A resumes and updates the counter to 2. Thread B then resumes and also updates the counter to 2. Even though both threads performed an increment, the final value increased only once instead of twice. This overlapping execution leads to lost updates, which is the core of the race condition. As a result, even though both threads are supposed to increment the counter, say 2 lakh times, the final value would be significantly less than expected. So to avoid this issue, synchronization mechanisms like locks are used even in Python. Thank you.